Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Nginx on Windows and remove services step by step clearly. To uninstall Nginx on Windows, begin by closing any open Nginx services. Press the Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys simultaneously to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, locate any Nginx processes running under the Processes tab. Select each Nginx process and click on the End Task button in the bottom right corner. Next, navigate to the directory where Nginx is installed. By default, this is usually found in C:\Nginx. Open File Explorer and go to this directory. Delete the entire Nginx folder by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete. After removing the files, we need to remove the Nginx service if it was installed. Open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type delete Nginx and press Enter. This command removes the Nginx service from your system. If the command executes successfully, you will see a confirmation message. Now, let's check if Nginx services are completely removed. Type services.msc in the Run dialog by pressing Windows key +R. This opens the Services window. In the Services window, scroll through the list for any Nginx entries. If you find any leftover Nginx services, ensure they are not running and then delete them. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Your Nginx installation is now completely uninstalled from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.